Three uncharged capacitors of capacities C1, C2 and C2 are connected as shown in the figure. So this C2 will not be there, C3 has to be there. And 2 points A and B and C at potential V1, V2, V3. Then the potential at O will be. Say the junction point is having the potential value X, I assume. Okay. So now given in the question that A is having the potential V1, B is having the V2 and C is having the V3. One highly important point is that suppose let's say charge Q1 is in this on this capacitor. So if charge Q1 is flowing and it is getting distributed in these two lines, let's say Q3 and Q2, which is on C2 and C3 respectively. So we can clearly say that if charge Q1 is coming and getting distributed in Q1 and Q2 and Q3, then from the charge conservation, we can say Q1 will be equal to Q2 plus Q3. And now this is our line 1 where C1 is the capacitance and this is the point A which has V potential, this is O. So the potential difference between 2 points is V1 minus X. So we can clearly write Q1 will be is equal to C1 into V1 minus X. Similarly, this is C2, this is point B which has V2 potential, this is point O which has X potential. So we can write it as Q2 is equal to C2 into X minus V2. We can also see this diagram because charge is flowing in this direction. So I am assuming positive to negative. So X will be at higher potential, and similarly that Q3 will be is equal to C3 into X minus V3. Now you need to put these values in equation number 1. So put Q1, Q2 and Q3 in equation number first. So if you put, what do I get? So just remove all this stuff. So here Q1 was C1 into V1 minus X, which will be equal to Q2 was C2 into X minus V2 plus C3 into X minus V3. Perfect. Now solve this lines or equation. What do I get? So I'll be getting C1 into V1 minus C1 into X, C2 into X minus C2 into V2 plus C3 into X minus C3 V3. Now accumulate C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 one side and X terminologies at other end. So which will give C1 plus C2 plus C3. So from there X will be C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 divided by C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this is the value of X, which is the potential at O. This was asked in the question. So which option is the correct answer? Option number 1 has to be the right choice.